You want to 32x your traffic this year?
For free?
All right, let me show you exactly how it's done.
First things first, we've got to change how you think. You need to stop being a platform serf. Right now, you're probably just posting and praying, right? Hoping the algorithm finally notices you.
So you've got two choices. You can be a serf, renting your traffic, or a sovereign, building it yourself.
So how do you become a sovereign? You have to see the massive shift that's happening online right now.
Look, TikTok isn't just for dancing anymore. It's a search engine, a really powerful one.
People are literally searching for what you sell. You just need to be the one who shows up with the answer. Okay, ready? Let's build your very own traffic factory. It's a simple 3-part blueprint. Let's go.
First, we hunt for misspelled pockets. Trust me, these are absolute gold mines with almost no competition.
Check this out. Passive income, huge search score, zero competition. You can totally own that space.
Next, you have to win the share of answer. And here's the crazy part. Stop writing for people. You're writing for the bots now, a quick 140-character answer box right at the top of your content.
Why? Because this forces the AI to name you as the expert, the main source for that answer.
And when you become the main source, man, the results are just huge. We're talking an absolute explosion.
Going from position 10 to number 1 isn't just a small bump, it's a complete game changer.
But all that traffic is useless if it has nowhere to go. So, part 3, you build your fortress.
Your fortress is built around an anchor asset, like a free guide that solves a huge chunk of their problem.
And here's how it all connects. It's an assembly line, from social media hooks right to your checkout. So let's be clear, stop renting your audience. It's time to own the factory that actually builds it.
There it is. The blueprint is yours. So what's it going to be? Rented land or your own fortress?